Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of AI investments, where Microsoft has plunged headfirst into the ChatGPT ocean with a whopping $13 billion. But is this a wise move or just another financial blunder? Let's dive in and find out. Microsoft's investment in ChatGPT's parent company, OpenAI, has analysts predicting that the tech titan's top line could get a $30 to $40 billion boost. Is that enough to skyrocket Microsoft's stock, which has already seen a 19% bump this year? Well, two reasons point to ChatGPT potentially adding significant revenue to Microsoft's coffers. First, the generative AI market is growing like a teenager during a growth spurt. 31% annually, to be precise. That's way faster than Microsoft's 18% growth in 2022. And Microsoft is leading the AI supercomputer race, and ChatGPT is the cherry on top that could help them score big in this market. But hold your horses, because Microsoft's stock price might already be basking in the ChatGPT glow, so perhaps its current price is reflective of that fact. Nevertheless, generative AI is growing fast thanks to OpenAI's ChatGPT, which burst onto the scene in November of 2022. Some analysts predict that by 2032, this market will reach a staggering, wait for it, $152 billion. Microsoft has big plans for incorporating ChatGPT into its products from Bing to Azure Cloud. It's been a wild ride for generative AI, and investor interest in this tech is hotter than a summer day in the Sahara. Microsoft is leveraging its AI prowess to revamp Bing and introduce Microsoft 365 Copilot, which will allow users to create Word, PowerPoint, and Excel documents using natural language. It's kind of like having a little AI helper in your back pocket. However, not everyone is convinced. Some enterprise customers are hesitant to pay for Copilot until it proves its worth. After all, you wouldn't buy a car without test driving it first, right? If ChatGPT does bring in $30 to $40 billion in revenue, that's a 10 to 20% boost for Microsoft. However, with recent slow growth and a conservative outlook, the company's stock might not get the same boost. ChatGPT's contribution to Microsoft's revenue will be most significant once it's integrated into Office 365. Credit Suisse sees Bing AI as a productivity-boosting, cost-cutting tool, while Wells Fargo analyst Michael Turin predicts ChatGPT could generate over, $30 billion in new annual revenue for Microsoft. The big question remains, will ChatGPT boost Microsoft's stock price? The current 19% in shares might already reflect the revenue estimates from ChatGPT. So unless there's some sort of game-changing news out there on the horizon, I just don't expect any dramatic increases in their stock price. To sum it up, ChatGPT is certainly a hot topic in the tech world, and its potential impact on Microsoft's revenue is really hard to ignore. But whether it will truly be a game changer for Microsoft's stock price really remains to be seen. Keep your eyes peeled, folks. This AI adventure is just getting started.